How to find archived chats on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Telegram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. And then you will land on the chat page where you have to simply long press on a particular chat, then tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. From this drop down menu box, select Archive, and the chat will be located at the Archive section. In order to receive or find archived chats on Telegram, you simply need to tap on Archive Chats at top of the screen. Tap on it to view all your archived conversation. So additional tips is if you don't see the archive section, you can easily scroll down to refresh your chat list. And make sure your Telegram app is up to date by visiting the Google Play Store or App Store. So, in this particular way, you can successfully find archived chats on Telegram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.